For today's video guys, magpapalabs tayo dito sa Quest Diagnostics. Ayan guys, samahan nyo kami. It's our first time. Check natin kung mas maganda ba dito kaysa sa LabCorp. Ayan, ito yung patient service center nila. Monday to Friday 6 AM to 5 PM and Saturday 7 AM to 11 AM. So tara guys. Ayun na sila. Ayan guys, eto kung paano mag-check-in dito. Ayan, may ano tayo, English, Espanyol, Polski, and more. Ayan, nag-enter na si Ate Sheila. Watch lang natin siya. Ayan, so kailangan yung insurance. Saka ID. Ayan guys, documentary ng pagpapalabs. Ang documentary ng pagpapalabs, parang maganda dito guys, tahimik, saka wala masyadong tao. Ayan o, ito yung place. So good. It's done.
Less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, dito tayo pumasok.